Welcome back to Explore Error. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable memory integrity in Windows 11. So let's start with the video. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue when you were not able to enable memory integrity on your Windows computer. If you are getting this error message, I will show you a few ways to fix it. First, open the Start menu on your computer. Search for Registry Editor and open it. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to HKey Local Machine. After that, click the drop-down next to System. Then click the drop-down next to Current Control Set. Next, click the drop-down next to Control. Now scroll down and find Device Guard and expand this folder. Inside it, you will see a folder called Scenarios. Right-click on this folder, click on New, and then select Key. Name this key Hypervisor Enforced Code Integrity. Make sure to type it correctly and use capital letters where needed. Now right-click in the empty space, click New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value Enabled and press Enter. Double-click on it and change the value data to 1, then press OK. After that, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed.